The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the All-Star Television Stampede Women's Championship.
She's in a fighting mood tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a reminder, the championship is on the line here tonight.
And in looking at the opposition, I can say that the champion will have quite the hill to climb in this one.
The challenger looks focused at the task at hand. She is determined to end the champion's reign tonight.
It's a big fight feel here tonight as the title is on the line.
And title matches like this have a way of getting your blood flowing unlike any other match. You have to wonder if this is the last night she carries that title to the ring.
Introducing the challenger from Durham, North Carolina, the Superstar! And her opponent from New York, the All-Star Television Stampede Women's Champion, Willow.
A title coveted by legends and hungry young talent alike.
You're not rewarded in WWE for sitting back and waiting. This superstar did things on their own terms, and that's why they're the champ.
That hard work and determination certainly has paid off for them, Corey, but the challenger has put in that same effort. It'll be a close contest.
Focusing on the midsection, knocking the wind out of him.
Oh, big mistake, and that error could be costly.
Showing off their deadlifting prowess and just
Tossing them aside.
just a perfect.
The legs hooked. Could be looking for it. Stepped over. Cloverleaf submission is in. She is in trouble. Well, past tense. She's out.
Oh, kick right to the back.
The early quick cover, title on the line.
This one's far from over.
It's a little early for an earnest attempt.
Trap the arm. Neck breaker.
So smooth.
Point of the elbow, nailed it. And now she's making it to the top rope here.
Take off.
Taking a flight to nowhere.
Man, oh man, took that crucial leap of faith and no one was there.
And a lift-up powerbomb.
A soul-crushing powerbomb like that sends a clear message. I'm coming for your title. Look at this, just unloading. And a stop to the gut, too.
working on the arm. She's maintaining solid offense here.
And she is absolutely on fire right now.
And she slides her back to the mat. Thinking of going high risk here. Launching.
And does not get it. Good golly, Miss Molly.
Big strike across the back.
The challenger really taking it on the chin here.
Massive miscalculation on that one.
Specifically targeting the leg. The challenger is going for it. She breaks the count quick.
She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on. Measured knee drop. Totally out of it. She's a perfect target.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
She's making her way to the top turnbuckle.
Oh boy, I think the crowd knows what's coming. Lift off.
Diving shoulder tackle. The pin for the championship. New champ, no!
She's still as determined as ever.
And a well-timed counter.
Got the leg, attacking the leg there. About to be the proverbial one.
Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked. Oh, look at the crossface. And all she did was move her hips and was able to get out. Trap the arm. Into the neck breaker. Boots up.
Oh my goodness.
From the ground up.
Pin drop. Straight into the pin. Two. Powers through after two.
At this point in the match, that could have gone either way.
Just muscling up their opponent. Oh my goodness. Into the powerbomb. The champ delivering when it counts. I don't believe it. How did the challenger survive that?
By the skin of their teeth. And don't expect the champ to start going easy on them now.
And you see a perplexed look now for how such impactful offense couldn't gain a pinfall. Ooh, she puts the brakes on that.
She's showing how much punishment she can withstand before getting her own offense in.
She's trying to rally, giving it all she's got to get back on top of this match.
She has no idea where she is right now.
Taking flight through the air.
And connects.
Coming down on their opponent like a sack of bricks.
Counters.
Finally, she's able to interrupt these attacks for a moment.
Yeah, she knows what it takes to stay in this fight.
And here we go, returning to the ring.
She better hurry or she'll get counted out.
Letting her opponent know that they are not on her level.
And she just
Inside cradle.
Oh, look at this small package. Oh, and a kick out. How did she do that?
Every kick out taking so much energy to muster. Punching their way out of that one.
Up into the fireman's carry position.
Death Valley driver.
Oh, here we go. This is raw power. Way up and down hard. Consider your title dreams dashed after.
And the champ stands tall once again.
We got our money's worth with that one. Take a look.
And still, All-Star Television Stampede Women's Champion, Willow.
She's able to successfully defend her title tonight.
What a battle. The champion was faced with a formidable adversary, but was able to overcome the challenge.